Now we are going to discuss about the 8th standard maths term 1 lesson 1 properties of rational numbers. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.2 fill in the blanks. The multiplicative inverse of 2 3 by 5 is here. This is mixed fraction. We change into the fraction now. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 divided by 5. That inverse is 5 divided by 13. In second one, if minus 3 multiplies 6 divided by minus 11 is equal to 6 divided by minus 11 cross x, then x is, this is commutative property for multiplication. So here x is equal to minus 3. In third one, if distributive property is true for 3 divided by 5 multiply minus 4 divided by 9 plus x divided by x multiply 15 by 17 is equal to 3 divided by 5 multiply y plus z, then x, y, z are in distributive property is true for multiplication and addition. So here given the 3 fraction here, that is equal to x is equal to 3 divided by 5. So y is equal to minus 4 divided by 9 and z is equal to 15 divided by 17. In fourth one, if x multiply minus 35 divided by 63 is equal to minus 55 divided by 63 into x is equal to 1, then x is called the multiplicative inverse of 55 divided by 63. In fifth one, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Then next one, say true or false. First one, minus 7 divided by 8 multiply minus 23 divided by 27 is equal to minus 23 by 27 into minus 7 by 8. Illustrates the closure property of rational number. This is false. In second one, associative property is not true for subtraction of rational numbers. So this is true. In third one, the additive inverse of minus 11 by minus 17 is 11 by 17. This is false because minus 11 by 17 is a correct answer. In fourth one, the product of two negative rational numbers is a positive rational number. This is true. In fifth one, the multiplicative inverse exists for all rational numbers. This statement is false. So this is not exist from all the rational numbers. So next one, verify the associative property for addition and multiplication of the rational numbers. Minus 10 by 11, 5 divided by 6, minus 4 divided by 3. Then associative property for addition and multiplication. In first one, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is associative property for the addition. In a cross b cross c is equal to a cross b cross c. This is the associative property for the multiplication. First one, for example, we take a is equal to minus 10 by 11, b is equal to 5 by 6 and c is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. First we find a plus b plus c. So minus 10 by 11 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 divided by 3. First we take LCM. In cross multiplication, 6 tens are 60, 5 11s are 55, whole divided by 11 6 are 66 plus 4 divided by 3. Here minus 5 divided by 66 minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to, we take LCM 66. In next fraction we multiply into the 22. So 4 into 22 88. So minus 5 minus 88 divided by 66. So minus 93 divided by 66. This is equation number 1. Then a plus b plus c is equal to minus 10 by 11 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 divided by 3. So minus 10 by 11 plus, we simplify and cross multiply now. 5 minus 8 divided by 6. So minus 10 by 11 minus 3 by 6 is equal to minus 6 minus 33 divided by 66. is equal to minus 93 by 66. Equation number 2. So 1 is equal to 2. Then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. The next one, multiplication property, we proved a cross b cross c is equal to minus 10 by 11 cross 5 by 6 cross minus 4 by 3 is equal to numerator number multiply into the numerator number, denominator number multiply into the denominator number. 10 5s are 50, 11 6 are 66, multiply minus 4 divided by 3. Here minus into minus plus, 54s are 200, 66 3s are 198. So we multiply now. A cross b cross c is equal to minus 10 by 11 cross 5 by 6 cross minus 4 by 3. Here minus 10 by 11 multiply into the second and third fraction. We get minus 20 divided by 18, minus into minus plus, 10 into 20 is equal to 200, 11 18s are 198. This is equation number 2. So a cross b cross c is equal to a cross b cross c. This is true for multiplication for associative property. The next one, fifth one, check the commutative property for addition and multiplication of the rational number minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 divided by 33. Commutative property for addition and multiplication. In first one, a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is the addition for commutative property. A cross b is equal to b cross a. This is commutative property for multiplication. So for example, we take a is equal to minus 10 by 11, b is equal to minus 8 divided by 33. A plus b is equal to minus 10 by 11 plus minus 8 by 33. Here denominator number is different. We take LCM 33, change into the first fraction denominator number 33, multiply and divided by 3. So minus 10 3s are minus 30 divided by 33. So we have minus 30 minus 8 divided by 33 minus 38 divided by 33. This is the equation number 1. Next b plus a. Here minus 8 divided by 33 plus minus 10 divided by 11. We apply the same method. We take the LCM and simplify now. We get minus 30 minus 8 divided by 33 is equal to minus 38 divided by 33. This is equation number 2. So 1 equal to 2. A plus b is equal to b plus a. In second one, a cross b is equal to minus 10 by 11 multiply minus 8 divided by 33. Here numerator number multiply into the numerator number, denominator number multiply into the denominator number. So minus into minus plus, 10 8s are 80, 11 30s are 363. Then b cross a is equal to minus 8 divided by 33 multiply minus 10 by 11 is equal to 8 10s are 80, 33 11s are 363. Equation number 2. So equation 1 and 2 we get a cross b is equal to b cross a. Thank you.